All right, we'll go ahead and get this going. Well, good morning, everyone, or afternoon or evening, depending on where you are located. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Marianne Libanati. I'm the head of marketing here at 2600 Hertz. We're very excited to bring back one of our valued partners, Yealink, for an exciting spotlight webinar today. And he's going to talk through some initiatives that Yealink is working on that are actually kind of redefining some of the service provider offerings. So today, leading our webinar will be William Lowe. He is the sales director for North America at Yealink. And again, William will be walking through Yealink's vision on transforming their phones and devices for the UCaaS and CPaaS businesses, and how these upcoming devices and features can essentially enhance your service provider offerings in the markets today. So I'm going to go ahead and hand this over to William and let him take it away.
Hi everyone, this is William from Yealink. And today I want to show you about Yealink. And for Yealink, we have maybe you have go to the KazuCon and you will note we have 16 years company history, and we go to public in 2017, and we have more than 800 employees. We sell more than 100 countries over the world, and we also have a lot of partners and technical partners over the world. And for last year, we have 21% of the share global market. And also for the second page is that our investment of the technical side for R&D investment for the $150 million, and also more than 50% of our R&D technical staff. And also we are largest IP phone engineer team in this industry. And also for the defect rate is lower than 0.5%. And we also have the certification of a global standard voice for the TIA 920. And this is our product line. We are not only focused on the desk phone, but we also focus on the video conference. We have the 2 generation now. And for the desk phone, we have T2, T4, T5 series. And we also have a conference phone series for the CP920 for entry level and CP960 for the wireless phone. And also for the deck phone, we have an entry level for W52 and W60. And also for the partners and the major case studies, we have Verizon, AT&T, 8x8 Volange, Central, Fuse, and we also good partner with the 2600 Hertz and Microsoft. And this is some case study we do. And I would like to introduce why the service provider should choose the Yealink. At first, let us see the global marketing sharing. This is the 2017. In fact, it's 2017. The Yealink is very close with Polycom, and this year, for the percentage, is already past Polycom. And for Polycom, they are very strong with enterprise and even SFB. But for Yealink, we are very, very focused on the SMB and SME. So this is the market for a service provider. This is what we are good at and very strong. And we have created a lot of customer user experience and provide very super proposal for the customers for the product line. Also for the channel, now we have 4 parts we like to introduce. And the first one is for the MAP. MAP is the map price of the Amazon. And maybe you guys are very familiar with the Polycom or even other brands. They don't care of the what price list on for Amazon or even eBay, but we do have a professional team to have fixed the price of MAP. So our service provider or our resellers can have a good margin to resell our product in the channel. And the second one is we don't have even have one unique green market, because for all the opportunity and and customer sales we are very familiar with, and to check out you won't go to the gray market. And our price structure is very material and can avoid that. And we also have deal registration for the customers that help them to have a very competitive proposal for the opportunities. And also we have a service provider certification. And from my experience, there is two different business model for service providers. The first is the customer will pay the device for a one-time purchase, and the other thing is the device is including the monthly fee. So no matter what kind of business model is, Yealink is the right model to support free phone service plan, and also more than 15% cost saving for the one-time purchase for service providers compared to Polycom. And also we have proposal to support this service provider leasing program. This is I will introduce later for the Yealink Device as a Service program. And also we consider to go to market proposal for the service providers. And also why we avoid green market is because the green market don't have service, no warranty for guarantee, and no support for the technical or even a firmware specialized. And also this is the competitors models. If you use the 300 and 400 T4s, it will be a choice. We also compare to high level for the video phones and also T58 Android phones, and we also have conference phones compared to Polycom. And we are very excellent for the user experience. We are easy to configuration via the phone UI and web UI. This is, for example, we have DSS key to configure and compare, and Yealink is easy to modify via web UI or long press DSS key via the phone UI. And also, maybe some of you guys who are familiar with Polycom, most functions need to modify via the auto provisioning. It's much complicated. And also we have a quick operation for common functions, brand transfer, comparing, and also we have for this Yealink only needs 3 steps to compare when the Polycom needs 5 steps to compare. And it's only very simple. This is we mentioned is the RPS for the redirection server. We just buy, ship, and provision. For example, 2600 has linked Yealink RPS to the Kazoo provisioning. You issue or buy the phone, ship directly to your customer. Then you enter MAC address from your receipt and into Kazoo provisioning server. Then before the phone even arrives, then you are done. That's very easy. So let's also demo presentation for the Kazoo call with their. And also, where more powerful features are coming is to support in the future with the Kazoo. And one is add the directory support and expose more features keys and show the visual look, and also allow people to click buttons on the phone itself in the GUI to configure. And also we allow the people to add custom template sections. And also in future, how to help our service provider to provide better service for customers. So Yealink, now we have a beta version for the hosting management platform now, and I think it will be available soon. For this management platform, and then it have different functions. The most function I would like to strengthen is the remote diagnose. Because sometimes for the customers, their feedback to surprise is not clear, so it's difficult to diagnose what the problem is. But with this platform, you will see all the features, situations, standards of the phone. Then you can remote control and remote diagnose for the package log or something else. So it should be very easy to manage the device in your system under your account. And also we will have a very flexible customized service. It means that For some opportunities, we can customize features to work together with Yealink to make your service more competitive. And also we have the other customized to enhance your brand. Also we have some case for reference. Please see below is customized group page to cover the broadcast requests and improve the drives and capacities in education. And we also customize the hoteling features to compatible with Fuse platform. And also we have customized DS key protection to avoid end user to modify DS key. And with this case, we have very rich experience to help our service providers to provide better service for customers. And we can customize the software together to provide a better user experience. And also we have a very excellent technical support. It means that basic support is for we have a ticket system, and we advanced we have a 24 hours, 7 days hotline, and we also can dispatch some only folks technical guys and for you for some opportunity or for some customers. And there are some case study we do it with the Verizon or BT. It means that at first Yealink is not in a very good place, but for example for the Verizon One Talk solution, and when they choose the Yealink Polycom, they test and found out that Yealink fits better for the Verizon business needs and offer high quality and high usability, and also very cost efficient product for SMB. And also for the BTs, that Yealink is coming later, about 6 months later than Polycom. And when Polycom is with the Recentral solution and Yealink is with the BroadSoft solution, and as the time passed by, it proves our Yealink and BroadSoft have occupied more than 65% of the revenue of the BT business. And last page I want to share with you today is the benefits we can tell you. And the first is it still be valid for the demo program for the new customers. It will be 70% of MSRP for the demo testing. And the second one is before the end of this month, Yealink will release our device as a service program. It means that you can have a choice of the monthly to monthly pay for device, or you can choose the 1-year contract, 2-year or 3-year contract. You will have a different rate. And if you have interest, you can send email to me. I can share with you more details about that. If you're interested, we can start to run this program now. And the third one is Yealink go-to-market package, special for the service provider. It will be ready for the August 1st of next month. I will share with you later. And also with the Yealink core brand proposal, it means that Yealink will provide a service that you can print your logo or your hotline or your website on the handset. So it will be more strength to spread your reputation, your brand in the channel. And also Yealink will totally wireless conference phone will release in September. This is very good news to many customers need a wireless conference phone. And we also will do the certification with 2600 Hz at the first time when we have released the demo testing. And next I will show you the website which I mentioned just now. For this is the official website that this is now is a beta version that we are going to release to help our service provider customers with more very professional for the service of customers. And the first one will be the go-to-marketing materials package. So when we click in, so you can see we'll have product brochures, the newsletters for products and user guide. And also we have data sheet, product image, and scenario image. And we also will provide the code documents to help your sales to advertise or to educate the customers. And we also have some videos to easily teach the customer how to use the phones. And also for we have a discount promotion, certificate logo, and we have free remote provisioning server. And another I want to share with is the customize your logo in the handset service, and you can see the pictures. So before that, the minimum order quantity will lower to 50 units only. So it is not like brand new phones have thousands requirements. No, it's very easy. So that's what I want to share with you today. So later when you have questions, you can send email to me, william@yealink.com, or yeah. Hi, Marianne.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, William. I was going to open it up for questions. It looks like there's one that Rodney submitted. Looks like does the Yealink RPS link with Kazoo open source or the commercial version? I know for sure it's on the commercial version. I need to check on open source, and I can get back to you with that, Rodney. But if anybody else has any questions, feel free to utilize the questions portal within the webinar. And then if not, also feel free to contact william@yealink.com or reach out to us at 2600Hz. We are happy to answer any of your questions.
Yeah, thank you guys. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me. Yeah.
Is this presentation available? Yes, Francis, it will be available. We're not only going to send it out to all the attendees today, but we'll also be doing a blast to all the customers, and we'll ensure that the upcoming service provider offerings that Yealink is working on is communicated to all of our Kazoo users as well.
Yeah, I will send the presentation to Marian, and he will send the presentation to you guys.
Perfect. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any more questions, but definitely our channels are open, so feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining us this morning, and we will see you again soon. Thanks again, William.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.